Hello, this is Amina.
Hey everyone, I am Tarek and I'm glad to take you in a small journey discovering the most topic for the people. We talk today about how to get really good night's sleep.
Have a good night's sleep include switching off your TV early in the evening, going out for a walk in the evening, not using your cell phones until too late at night, or maybe even listening to music or reading a book in the evening that will help you relax and change your mood.
That's amazing, Amina. And really, those things are really simple, but a lot of people, they don't take it in considerations. As you know, most of us spend a third of our life in sleep, which really we need to take it in considerations when we are going to our choices for the bed, the comfort, and sleeping environment. And here at IKEA, we took that really in an important way. And there is a lot of elements affect and play a big part to have really strong and effective good night's sleep.
Let's talk about the different factors that play an important role in your good night's sleep. I'll be telling you the 6 important elements that affect your good night's sleep. 6 of them being are color, comfort, light, air quality, sound, and temperature.